Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Asus BW-16D1HT, catchy name, as a Blu-ray writer. Now this one apparently, it supports double layer, basically the Ultra HD discs, but with this one it's got custom firmware on it, which apparently will let you rip Ultra HD discs. So I'm going to install this on a 2010 Mac Pro, and yeah, obviously it's a bit more convenient having rather than having to get up and put a disc in, you can just sort of rip them all, put them on your stick a hard drive in your router and just watch it, stream it on your own network sort of thing. So there we go, and that's obviously all legal as long as you've got the original copy, which I have. It's just a convenience factor. So this was bought from eBay, so that's why it's open. So I think he's put LG firmware on this. I'm not sure. This is about £10 cheaper than the LG version. Fairly, pretty much the same size. You've got your mounting points there on that side as well. What does that say? Warranty void if unsealed, so don't remove that. Now with this, I've heard you can connect it via USB somewhere, so possibly if I sell my Mac Pro, I can get I can hook this up to a laptop or something, possibly, not too sure. Blu-ray disc rewriter, Asus technology. Apparently LG make this drive, so that's, yeah, I guess that's they just rebadge it. Asus can't be bothered doing it themselves, so they get LG to do their dirty work for them. So you got 4 mounting points there, so I guess you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Free Asus web storage, don't care. Nero backup, don't care. Internal optical drive quick installation guide. So again, they insist on doing it on like this giant sheet paper. So, hardware installation, so you put it in your PC, you put the SATA port thing in, and that's it. Remove the computer. Yeah. So freeze frame that for you. So this goes into a 5.25 inch bay. The 2010 Mac Pro is a 5.25 inch bay. I've actually got a SSD hanging out the back of one of them. So it's got 2 5-inch bays. Warranty card, a CD, and that's it. So let's look at the box again. Backup for Android. Full backup for your Android devices, for including Mac. 1000 year storage solution. Save your process memories or data for up to 1000 years. So I'm not sure how you can claim a warranty on that, because the last time I checked, I probably won't live to be 1000 years old. Unless you're Doctor Who, I suppose. BDXL support, so that's another name for Blu-ray Ultra HD. Up to 128 gigabyte storage on one disc. So 128 gigabytes equals 27 DVDs, 4.74 gigs, disc encryption. So we're going to test this out. I'm going to stick a Ultra HD Blu-ray. I mean, to be honest, I tend to just watch Ultra HD Blu-rays on a Xbox One S, so I don't really need to get that facility. But it might come in handy in the future. But certainly I've got, what I've got here is this box set here, which I bought on Amazon. So I'm just going to kind of rip that and then put that on my Asus router, and just rather than having to physically go for the ordeal of having to get up, take a disc out, put a disc in, oh my god, that is a struggle. So what I'm going to do is just stream it